Up to 10 miles per hour. Friday, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers in the morning, then showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon.
We're being late.
Humid with highs in the lower 80s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour.
Now it's a waiting game. Great.
Friday,
I have to get jump scared by them.
thunderstorms likely in the evening, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 80%.
Come on, Cleveland. You just went.
At 11
You usually
a.m.,
go after
weather
yours.
reports for selected cities. At Youngstown, it was sunny. The temperature was 74 degrees, the dew point 60, and the relative humidity 61%. The wind was east at 5 miles an hour.
HH50.
The pressure was 30.22 inches and rising. Elsewhere across the region, it was sunny with a temperature of 76 at Zanesville, 72 at Toledo, and 75 at Akron Canton Airport. Under sunny skies, Ashtabula
Come on,
reported
WWG56.
75, Cincinnati reported 81, and Dayton reported 79.
Why are they taking forever?
At Cleveland, it was mostly
They're
sunny,
selling,
with
bro.
a temperature of 77.
Wasting my storage.
Reports from nearby cities outside Ohio. Skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny, and temperatures were between 74 and 77 degrees. The current time is 11:26.
Are they gonna interrupt their commentary?
Daylight time. This is NOAA Weather Radio WWG56.
Come on, Youngstown.
From the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information.
Don't
for
be
the
sleeping.
Valley over station WWG56.
Did Cleveland just go?
On a frequency of 162.500 megahertz. On the latest weather map, high pressure will
Did Cleveland go?
over the southern Great Lakes today before gradually moving east tonight and Thursday to allow low pressure to move into
Well,
the Great Lakes by
WWG56 is taking forever.
the warm front across the region Thursday night and Friday, followed by a cold front Saturday.
This is a delay
The
weekly.
low will continue to meander across the Great Lakes through Sunday. The forecast for the Mahoning Valley. Today, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s.
Come
Northeast
on.
winds around 5
Not waiting
miles
for
per
you.
hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows
I gotta get jump scared by them.
northeast
Damn
winds
it.
around 5 miles per hour. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-80s.
Come on, Youngstown.
East winds around 5
Go.
miles per hour. Thursday night, mostly cloudy.
What, they tested
Lows in the
WXL51?
mid-60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Now these things are being delayed as shit.
Mostly cloudy. A chance
I'm already
of
at
showers
3
in the
minutes,
morning,
bro.
Then showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Humid with highs in the lower 80s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. Friday night, showers with
How delayed are
in
they?
the evening. Then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 80%. At 11 a.m., weather reports for selected cities. At Youngstown, it was sunny.
Cleveland, I'll have all
The
day.
temperature was 74 degrees, the dew point 60, and the relative
There we go.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of, or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. At 11 a.m.